Come on everyone, it's Yo-Re-Mi. Time for fun, Yo-Re-Mi. Dance around, Yo-Re-Mi. Make a silly sound, Yo-Re-Mi. Yo, 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 hello, hello. Ray, 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 hooray for today. Me, 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 1, 2, 3. You and me, Yo-Re-Mi. Pond Adventure.
Hello, my friends. I'm here, I see you. Today, let's make something together. Hello, my friends. I'm here, I see you. Today, let's make something together. Hello to you and me and moms and dads and brothers and sisters and all those friends we have. Hello, my friends. I'm here, I see you. Today, let's make something together.
We're at the pond. Let's warm up and start exploring.
We'll start sitting criss, cross, applesauce. You try it. Criss, cross, applesauce. A little faster. Criss, cross, applesauce. And we clap our hands together and sit up tall. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in together. Big O sound. O. Rub your hands together and sit up tall. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in. O. Tap yourself all over and sit up tall. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in. Oh.
The sun is a signal to wake up. Let's wake up our bodies with the sun dance.
Hands up high, reach for the sky. Bend down low, tickle your toes. Jump back quick, straight as a stick. Down goes the elevator. Hiss like a snake. Bark like a dog. Woof, woof, woof. Jump like a frog onto a log. Stand up tall like a mountain.
How do we get to the pond? Train.
All aboard the train! All aboard. Up the hill. To one side. To the other side. Up the mountain. Through the tunnel. Let's go faster. Even faster. Slowing down. You have arrived at the last stop on the train. Please depart the train.
You never know what you're gonna find around the pond, but you know there'll probably be some frogs. Let's practice frog jumps. We'll do 5 frog jumps right here by the pond. Come all the way down. And we'll say 1, 2, 3, jump. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, jump. 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 Come all the way up. I know what those frogs love to do. They love to jump in the water.
Oh, jump in the water, everyone. Jump in the water, everyone. Jump in the water, everyone. You're all wet. Now shake your body, everyone. Shake your body, everyone. Shake your body, everyone. You're all dry. Oh, that was fun. Let's do it again. Oh, jump in the water, everyone. Jump in the water, everyone. Jump in the water, everyone. You're all wet. Now shake your body, everyone. Shake your body, everyone. Shake your body, everyone. You're all dry. Hooray!
Let's go find some ducks.
Quack, 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 quack. Catch a fish. Oh. Eat it. Quack, 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 quack. Catch a fish. Eat it.
Screen break.
Open shut is an activity that combines an eye exercise with breathing. Let's try it. Now for this one, you won't be able to look at me the whole time, so watch one and then you'll try it after me. The first thing we do is to hold up your hands right next to your head. Squeeze your hands together like fists, and then also squeeze your eyes closed as tight as you can. And you can even turn your face into a little bit of a lemon face, squeezing your whole face. Squeeze, squeeze. Take a breath in as you squeeze. And then open everything up as you breathe out as wide as you can. Breathe in, squeeze hands, squeeze face, squeeze eyes. Breathe out and open wide. Now you try it with me. Breathe in, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Breathe out. Let's do 2 more. Breathe in. Last one.
Sometimes in a pond, we can ride on boats.
Sit with your feet flat and your knees up. Grab your oars. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but... Oh no! Our boat sprung a leak. Pick up your feet so they don't get wet. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a... Wait a second. This isn't a rowboat. It's a paddle boat. Lean back on your elbows, but keep your head up. And paddle, paddle, paddle your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a... Wait a second. This isn't a paddle boat. It's a sailboat. Lift your sail. Up, 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 up. Sail, sail, sail your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a... Wait a second. This isn't a sailboat. It's a motorboat. Make a V with your legs. And start your engine. Wait a second. This isn't a motorboat. It's a belly boat. Swing around and lay down on your belly. Lift your feet up. Reach back and grab one foot. Reach back and grab your other foot. And look up at the ceiling. Let go one foot. Let go the other foot. Take a rest.
When I'm feeling worried or stressed or anxious or afraid,
Some deep breaths can help me feel better. Let's take some deep breaths using our breathing ball.
When we breathe in, our lungs get big as they fill with air. When we breathe out, our lungs get small as they empty. Breathe in, make your lungs as big as they can be. Breathe out, empty all the air out. I'm going to make my body so big. I'm going to make my lungs so small. Let's do 3 more together. Watch the ball and breathe along with me.
All around the pond there are trees. Let's be trees.
We'll put our feet on the ground where our roots go down. Arms up high like branches in the sky. Balancing tree, place the foot below the knee. And freeze for 3, 2, 1. Give yourself a little clap, 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 clap. Let's do the other side. We'll put our feet on the ground where our roots go down. Arms up high like branches in the sky. Balancing tree, place the foot below the knee. And we'll sway, sway, sway in the wind. Give yourself a little clap, 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 clap.
It's time for relaxation.
I want you to take big breaths in and out. Take big breaths in and out. And I want you to imagine you're laying on the floor of the forest. And you can feel the soft, soft grass under your body. And you can look up and see the green, green leaves. And the bright, bright sun shining on your face. And maybe there's an animal that you love nearby. Keep taking those big breaths in and out. In and out. Take a big breath in. Let it out. Take a big breath in. Let it out. 2 more. Take a big breath in. Let it out. Last one. Big breath in. Let it out. Now wiggle your little fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Your toesies. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now slowly and calmly and quietly sit back up. We'll sit back up and we'll sit criss-cross. Applesauce. Yes, we'll sit criss-cross. Applesauce.
That was a big pond adventure. Let's go home. We had some fun. I'm going home. We gotta run. I'm going home. And so, my friend, see you again. And until then, I'm going home. Home. I'm going home. Home. Now take a deep breath. I'm going hold home as long as you can on one note. Come on everyone, it's Yo-Re-Mi, time for fun, Yo-Re-Mi. Dance around, Yo-Re-Mi, make a silly sound, Yo-Re-Mi. Yo, 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 hello, hello, Ray, 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 hooray for today. Me, 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 1, 2, 3.